Hey everyone, how's it going? We got a 2024 BMW X6 in the shop. It's this metallic black. We're gonna be putting Autobahn Incognito PPF with a lifetime warranty on it. I'm gonna show you our process. Just like always, come check it out. All right, so it's been raining here a little bit in Texas, and even though this only has 700 miles, it's pretty filthy. So we're of course gonna be cleaning this up. You're gonna see that. There's not too much disassembly involved on this particular vehicle. We did remove already, I've removed the BMW logo so that we can get a cleaner install on the hood. We'll be removing this adhesive residue before we actually install the hood. So we'll probably get that done while I'm installing a fender. And so we're gonna be doing we're gonna be doing our track package, but some additional stuff. So we're gonna be doing hood, fenders, front bumper, mirrors. We're gonna do some of the pillars, the top of the roof, partial doors, the bottom half of the doors along the body line, as well as the rocker panels, and then we're gonna do the rear bumper as well. So it's just shy, honestly, of a full body package, not too much other panels left, but we're gonna show you how we're gonna prep this next. All right, as usual, we're gonna be prepping this, or soaking this, you could say, with American Detailer Garage F-Bomb. F-Bomb is our multi-purpose cleaner, and it gets all this junk loosened up for us so that we get a cleaner installation. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna foam cannon using American Detailer Garage Fury. You notice I still have the F-Bomb soaking on the car. It's gonna go on top of it. Gonna clean it even better. And then we're gonna do some clay bars, some detail brush, and then we're gonna get started on the film installation.